Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we dive deep into products so you don't have to drown in regrets. Today, we're talking about a pool product that's making waves, literally. It's called Simple Scoop, sold by PoolDay.com. And no, it's not a protein powder or some weird TikTok trend. It's actually an all-in-one pool treatment that claims to make pool care as easy as scooping cereal. It promises to replace your algaecide, clarifier, oxidizer, and even pH and alkalinity balancers. Basically, it's saying, why juggle 5 chemicals when you can just scoop once a week? Sounds dreamy, right? Like the lazy pool owner's dream come true. But is it brilliant chemistry or just clever marketing? Let's splash into the details. The good stuff. Some users actually love this product. They say it simplified their routine. No more guessing, no more testing 47 chemicals before brunch. One reviewer even said, "All I need now is chlorine and a scoop of this stuff. Boom, clean pool." Another liked the calculator tools and instructions that came with it. For casual pool owners, that's a nice touch. So yes, it can work, especially if you're new to pool ownership and your motto is, good enough. But here's where it gets cloudy. Now comes the chlorine-flavored reality check. Pool experts, not so convinced. Many in the pool community are giving Simple Scoop the side eye, like it just make the pool dirty. The main concerns: it uses copper sulfate, which might stain your pool or turn your blonde hair green. Unless you're going for the Hulk look, that's a problem. Some ingredients, like aluminum compounds and oxidizers, could mess with your water clarity over time. It might be masking issues like algae or poor chemistry instead of fixing them. Worse yet, some people think it replaces chlorine, but that's a huge NO. You still need a proper sanitizer. Simple Scoop is more like a sidekick, not the superhero. Pool chemistry isn't magic. A lot of seasoned pool owners recommend the TFP method. That's trouble-free pool, not totally fake potion. They say stick with liquid chlorine muriatic acid baking soda, yes, the kitchen kind, and a good test kit like the TF100. In other words, science shortcuts. So, is Simple Scoop a scam? Not exactly. We wouldn't call it a scam. It's more like that one friend who means well but gives questionable advice. It might genuinely help some people, but if you want crystal clear water, consistent chemistry, and no weird green streaks in your hair, you're better off sticking to the basics. Final scoop for Simple Scoop? Not totally useless, but not a miracle either. It's like putting your pool on autopilot and hoping it knows how to fly. If you're cool with experimenting, it might work for you. But if you're serious about pool health, do what the pros do. Test, treat, repeat. That's all for today's dip into the chemical deep end. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who just bought a pool and has no idea what they're doing. Catch you in the next review, and remember, don't get fooled, get D-reviewed.